welcome back to Glow with Candace. So on today's episode, we're gonna be unboxing my May 2020 IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I got mine really late this month because I had an add-on. Unfortunately, when I got my box, I was super disappointed because I was missing 2 items. I was missing one of the 5, and then I was also missing my add-on item. So I contacted IPSY and they were super awesome with their customer service. They got back to me within 24 hours. They were apologetic and they said that they will send those 2 items to me, you know, within no time at all. I think they estimated up to about 7 to 10 days. Now, I'm disappointed just because those were the 2 items I was looking forward to the most in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. And I don't think I'll be reviewing them just because, well, I may review one futuristically just because I'm super excited for the product. I got a roller, a facial roller, which I've heard wonderful things about for facial care. So I was excited. It was a good deal for my add-on, so I purchased that. I'll probably review that futuristically to tell you if I like it, if I don't like it. The other product is the MURAD eye cream. So that I was really looking forward to, and I still am. I'm just sad that I didn't get it with my box. So those are 2 products that I did get, but I don't have them quite yet. And I've been doing IPSY for 5 years now. And this is the first time I've ever had anything like this happen. And when I just reached out to them, they were super apologetic. And like I said, they fixed the problem in no time. The only bummer is I have to wait. And of course, I'm already behind posting this video for you guys for the May. So I'm gonna show you what I have available and what did actually come. So of course I got my box. Another thing I didn't get my normal little pamphlet. So they didn't give that to me and they didn't give me the 2 products. I mean, I could see like missing 1, but 2, that was kind of unusual, I guess. But like I said, I've never had any problems before. So first time for everything. And of course, with everything that's going on with the whole COVID thing, I can see that maybe there's some mix up going on. Here is the bag. So it's really cute. It reminds me of the beach, honestly. And the little tassel here, very nice. I like it a lot. Decent size, of course. With these IPSY Glam Bag Pluses, they're a little bit bigger than just the IPSY bag in the standard $10 a month. So very cute. Like I said, reminds me of the beach. And then we have on the inside here where it says IPSY and reflective, like little confetti type stuff. I didn't get my normal little piece of paper pamphlet either, so that's another thing. So I can't give you the tips. I can't really say what they recommend and when to use it. So I'm just going off of what's in my box and I'm just gonna read you what is here. So this is Wander Beauty. What the heck is this? Let me pull up my phone and look at my IPSY app. So since I don't have my pamphlet, I'm just gonna go off of my phone because, well, I don't have that, so I'm gonna have to go off of my phone in the app. So this product here I have is from Wander Beauty, and it's Frame Your Face Precise Brow Gel in Clear. So gotta love brow gels. They keep those little wild hairs tame. So this is what it looks like. I think I already showed you guys, but just to double check. So just, oh, and then this is the brush here. So it's clear. I kind of like how it's a clear brush. I know normally the tips are black and the, you know, the formula is clear, but I like how the tip of the brush is clear. So it weighs at 0.2 ounces and it retails for $22. And it says use alone for a polished brow vibe or with your favorite brow pencil or pomade for a bolder brow look. It's infused with Hinoki essential oils to moisturize and nourish your brow hairs so they can grow thicker and stronger with continued use. That's pretty nice. I like that, especially if you have thinner brows anyways. That could be kind of nice to get them to grow in better and thicker. And of course, it tames those hairs as well. So can't go wrong with never having enough of these. You could put them all over the place. Sometimes you just gotta tame those little brows. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just realized they gave me something that I wasn't even supposed to get in my IPSY. Okay, so they really screwed up on my box this month. So I was supposed to get the Sugar Rush Sugar Coat Velvet Liquid Lipstick and Cupcake. And I got the Tarte Lip Paint. So I can't complain because that's a nice upgrade, but so I guess for them screwing up my box, missing a couple products, I kind of got a little bit of a bonus because now I'm getting a couple really high-end products in my Glam Bag Plus this month, so that's kind of cool. So I can't really read you anything about this because I wasn't even supposed to get it. So here is the outer packaging, really cute. So it's the Tarte Tarteist Lip Paint, and it is in Front Row color. So here is the outer packaging. Really slick. I love the color. So I'm just gonna apply this for you guys, kind of show you how it looks here. Feeling, which is nice, and it doesn't feel over drying. I'll let you know by the end of this video how it kind of feels on my lips, but definitely a matte finish and really pretty color. I love these kind of neutral colors on my lips. I just feel like I wear them well, and I don't like to do anything too wild on my lips either. Let's see what the outer packaging says, because like I said, I wasn't supposed to get this. I don't have my little pamphlet, like I don't know anything. This month it was just really screwed up, but thankfully IPSY is gonna fix what they missed and I got a little upgrade, so I guess that works out well. It doesn't really say anything about it. It just says formulated without parabens, mineral oil, phthalates, triclosan, sodium lithoryl sulfate, gluten, dermatologist tested. So that's pretty cool. So I got an eyeshadow palette from Vineyard Soyer eyeshadow palette in color Rain. So it's more of a purpley color. You know, I love eyeshadow palettes, but I'm very particular and I'm really picky on formulas. So when IPSY sends these kind of like random brands, I'm kind of like, I'm probably not gonna like it, and majority of the time I don't. Occasionally I get brands that, you know, I do like, but you know, I have my go-to brands for eyeshadow for sure. So it's like a pale pink on the outside and kind of reflective, as you can see. And this is the inside, so very compact. These are really pretty colors, but there's no names to them. Doesn't bother me whatsoever, but let's see how the swatches look. These are the swatches, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't like it. I'm gonna tell you why I don't like it. I don't like it because it's dry. I don't feel like there was enough color pigmentation for what I was doing. I like the colors, but when I work with eyeshadows, I want good pigmentation, so I don't have to use as much and work as hard. Yeah, they are pretty though, but I don't think I'm gonna be using this palette. And the last product I have, I got to pick, and of course it's another like face palette. It is a highlighter and also like a contour and bronzer. This is from Nomad Cosmetics, and it's also a limited edition. So this is the outer packaging. I'm really excited to look at these. I love these kind of things, as you guys probably already know. Also, I've heard a lot of great things about Nomad, so I've never actually tried it, so I'm excited to finally have a palette, and it's cool that it's limited edition and it's special edition for IPSY, so there's no way to get it unless you have IPSY. Oh, you guys, I'm loving this blush. That is pretty. It's like a peachy, brighter blush. And then I think we have, I don't know, this looks like a highlighter. Ballamore Beach, Tamara Beach, and then we have Bondi Beach and Manly Beach. So let's see what the back packaging says here. So the pink Oh, interesting. So this is a highlighter here. This is a highlighter, the MURAD Beach, and then we have over here, we have the Tamara Beach, and that's also a highlighter as well. And then we have this one down here, which is the Bondi Beach, another, well, it says like a glowing warm bronzer. So you could use it as a highlighter maybe, just kind of depends, or you could use it as a bronzer. And then down here we have the Manly Beach, which is a bronzer and contour powder. So I'm excited to use these, very pretty. I'm gonna swatch them now and we'll see how they look. Oh, you guys, look at this. That didn't, oh wow. You know how I love it. These are the swatches of the Snowmad Special Edition with IPSY Sydney Bathers. Okay, this swatches beautifully. It's so pigmented. I love it, and I am so excited to use this. This, I am so happy I picked out. Look how pigmented that is. That is gorgeous, guys. Okay, I really love that pinky one. I think it's called the MURAD Beach. Yeah, that's really pretty. All right, guys, well, that's it because I didn't get my other products. I would have had to add on in one more other product, but kind of like this month. So maybe futuristically, I'll review those couple products when they do get to me, and maybe I don't, we'll see. But once again, I'm not upset with IPSY because I kind of got a little bit of an upgrade with that Tarte lip paint. And not only that, but they're still giving me my products and free of charge. I don't have to repurchase or reship or anything like that. So thank you, IPSY, for your great customer service. I truly appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by with Glow with Candace. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of my May 2020 IPSY Glam Bag Plus, or at least what I did get. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button if you want to see future videos by me. But until next time, bye.